It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MJTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this whole thing here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a routine basis, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And the first thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning. Going to delete these lines here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart, but they're not really relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have 8 million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. So we'll just try to keep this as clean as possible. So today's, wasn't the best day, but by no means did the price totally fall apart or anything like that. And again, it always goes back to perspective, which I think I talked about in yesterday's video. But if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell in a very quick amount of time, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. But for those of you that care about the big picture of things, bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, and that's the name of the game. That's how those long-term uptrends are built. Now, to nitpick here a little bit, the one thing that's caused the chart to lose some of its attractiveness is the price is now below the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Now, before you start throwing stones at me, there's a big difference between losing some of its attractiveness and being totally ruined. By no means am I saying that the chart's totally ruined now because the price is slightly below the purple line. Has the chart lost some of its attractiveness? Yes, it has, because the best case scenario, what would make the chart look the absolute best, is had the price just continued to trend up above that purple line. That didn't happen, so sure, the chart's not quite as pretty as it possibly could be. But the good news is, it's not like the price, and it's not like the bulls have to make some epic comeback or anything. The price closed very near it. And really the easiest way to look at that is the sooner the price can get back above this resistance that I've talked about in yesterday's video, which is at 0.0105, then that would not only put the price back above the purple line, which is what you want, but also, back above, this level of resistance right there. So this kind of zone right here, again, the easiest way to look at it, 0.0105, key level, that the sooner the price can get back above there, the better. And that'll keep the price on track, because as it stands right now, if assuming this is kind of where it eventually just bottoms out here, well, that set of lows is right there. The previous set of congestion area down there is here. Picture those as stair steps, and the overall stairs, again, keyword being overall, still easily going in the upwards direction. So pullbacks are part of the game. Pullbacks happen, and as long as the pullbacks occur and level off at higher locations than their previous ones, that's how an uptrend is built. And like I said, bulls still have plenty of opportunity to do just that. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.